In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed music playlists in Notion. Whether you're using Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, YouTube, or SoundCloud, integrating playlists into your Notion pages can enhance your workspace, making it more dynamic and engaging. Let's dive right into the steps needed to get this accomplished effortlessly. First things first, you need to open your Notion workspace. If you're new to Notion, all you need to do is log into your account through your preferred web browser or desktop app. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to add your music playlist. This could be a journal entry, an ongoing project space, or even a dedicated music page you've created to gather all your favorite tunes in one spot. After finding or creating the page you want to work on, click on it to open. Now, this is where the fun begins. To start embedding, you'll want to type in the command line, which is as simple as typing a / followed by embed. This step is similar to how you'd normally insert an image or a video into your Notion documents, utilizing Notion's intuitive command shortcuts. Once you type embed, a small pop-up menu will appear, giving you various embedding options. Go ahead and select embed. This will prompt you to input your playlist link, facilitating playback directly from Notion, with no separate apps required. An excellent way to grab your playlist link is by going to the source, like Spotify or YouTube, and clicking on the share option to copy the URL. Now, paste the copied link directly into the provided field in Notion. Make sure you've got the correct link, as this determines the seamless streaming of your music within your workspace. After pasting the link, you'll then need to click on the Embed Link button at the bottom of the dialog box to confirm. Once embedded, your playlist will appear directly on your Notion page, allowing you to play music right from there. Congratulations! You've now successfully embedded a music playlist in Notion. This feature not only helps set the mood while you're working, but also keeps all your resources centralized in one place. It's perfect for creating a personalized and productive atmosphere, whether you're looking to focus or simply relax while navigating through your tasks. So, there you have it. A quick, straightforward way to integrate music playlists into your Notion setups. It enhances your workspace and streamlines your workflow, all in one swoop. Feel free to explore more with different playlists and make your Notion experience more enriching. Thank you for tuning in, and happy embedding.